C. Lindelof videos, calculus, the product rule 2. Here's what we have here. We have the derivative, d dx, just means the derivative, the slope of one function times the other function can be expressed as a rule, which is the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. Holy crap. We can make sense out of this really easily. I think the first thing I would suggest to you is that you memorize this rule. So you have to know this rule. This is going to be key to your success, is that you know this rule. From here, we can work the rest of it out. We're given, in this example, we're given that f of x is equal to x squared times negative 3x squared minus 2, and we're asked to find dy dx. Of course, dy dx just means f prime at x. It's just another way of saying it. So let's see if we can find that. All I'm going to do is this. I'm going to start gathering up my stuff. I need an f of x. I need an f prime at x. Here's my f of x. It's the first function. I'm going to name that f of x. F of x is equal to x squared. The first derivative of x squared exactly is 2x. Good job. 2x. Look at the next function, and that's this function here. And I'm going to name that my g of x function. So I'm going to say that g of x is equal to negative 3x squared minus 2. The derivative of that function through the power rule is negative 6x, isn't it? Is that right? And the derivative of this is 0. So how are we doing? Pretty good? Now all I'm going to do is fill in the blanks. It says I need f of x. So f of x is x squared. Then it says I'm supposed to multiply that by g prime at x. G prime at x is negative 6x, so times negative 6x. This plus sign right here is this one right here. Right? We're doing good, right? So then it says to take our g of x, and our g of x was this mess here, negative 3x squared minus 2, and we're supposed to multiply that by the derivative of f prime at x. So f prime at x is 2x. 2x. I know you're lazy and you're like, do I have to simplify this? Yeah, because this is pretty easy to simplify, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify these pieces and see where it takes me. X squared times negative 6x is negative 6x cubed, isn't it? This plus sign is this one for now. I'm just going to clean this mess up. 2x times negative 3x squared is negative 6x cubed, isn't it? Is that good math? Negative 6x cubed, right? And negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Right? I'm going to take these parentheses down, Nefertiti, right, because this plus sign didn't do anything, so the parentheses are satisfied. Then I'm going to combine. Nefertiti, I have negative 6x cubed plus negative 6x cubed is negative 12x cubed. So I use those, and minus 4x is minus 4x. You could simplify this out further if you wanted to, but you don't have to. Remember that our professor asked us for dy dx, so we're going to just name that dy dx. And dy dx, of course, just means f prime at x. So if I had said f prime at x is equal to this, I would have said exactly the same thing. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. I'm saying.